Develop an advanced tutorial on creating distinctive color grades specifically designed to enhance music genre aesthetics and create album artwork that reflects audio identity. Teach color psychology in music marketing and how colors influence listener perception. Demonstrate genre-specific color grading: heavy metal, pop, hip-hop, classical, electronic. Cover creating cohesive color narratives across album artwork, singles, and promotional materials. Teach techniques for color grading that photographs of musicians and instruments to match musical identity. Include methods for creating limited edition color variations. Demonstrate how color grading influences perceived energy and emotion of music. This tutorial serves music producers, album cover designers, musicians, and record labels.